هاي ليديز، ويلكم باك تو ماي شانل. مثل ما وعدتكم قلت لكم رح اعمل تور للزينة الكريسماس اللي حطيتها ببيتي. بس ما رح اكون عم بحكي بهذا الفيديو، رح خليكم هيك تنبسطوا فيه مع موسيقى رايقه. عدوا اعملوا سخن واحضروا الفيديو، ما رح كتر حكي كتير فوق راسكم. بس بدي لكم انه صورت الفيديو على بكذا نهار، رح تشوفوني بغير تياب والصبح وعشيه. وبليز بليز بليز ضلكم لاخر الفيديو، لانه تركت لكم بالاخر رساله حابه اوصلكم اياها، بتمنى انكم تشوفوها. وما تنسوا بليز تعملوا سبسكرايب للشانل، وانا بشوفكم قريبا. يلا
ما عملش هون.
1st of December. اي هو اي باب 1. يلا ماما اوبن.
يلا
افتح اول باب حبيبي.
يلا.
واو، برملوا اياها ليستحكي.
كيفك؟ لا هون.
سيكويسا بابا نويل. واو مامي. واو.
See the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again made new. In the crowded streets calling Christmas time, the ones we meet wear their warmest smile. And from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't be late. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song, heard through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow on a special night. Every child awake, for at Christmas time there is magic in the air. It's a time for joy, it's a time for peace. Let's give a voice to the ones in need. Let us say a prayer at this Christmas time. Bring the best of all in us and deep in our hearts. Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here, same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far, everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they are, one after the other are knocking at the door. Here everybody's welcome, the rich and the poor. Kids play on the outside in the newly fallen snow, while the grown-ups all huddle up inside away from the blistering cold. Soon Santa will be here, the same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far, yeah. Everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they are. Now let's make a snowman. That's something even the grown-ups can. The carrot for his nose. Let's call him Frosty. He'll be our friend. What does it matter if it's all pretend? Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far, everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they are, everyone wants home for Christmas. Yeah. No matter if it's near or far, everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they
No, sometimes with Papa Noel.